All right, here we have another spinner question. So this time we have a spinner with 9 equal sections labeled 1 through 9, and it's going to be spun 225 times, and we want to know theoretically how many times it should land on a multiple of 3. So again, we want to start with finding the probability of our event if we were to spin it 1 time. So if I have a spinner and I have 9 different sections, and they're labeled 1 through 9, then this is my sample space. These are all of the different outcomes I could get, 1 through 9. And if I want to know the event of landing on a multiple of 3, well, I know the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, and 9 in this list. So remember, we want to write favorable outcomes out of total possibilities, or total outcomes. So our number of favorable outcomes is the number of times we could land on a multiple of 3, and we see that there are 1, 2, 3 different chances to get a multiple of 3 out of 9 total outcomes. Okay? So now I can simplify this, so I know 3 out of 9 I can simplify to 1 out of 3. And then the question asked me if I was going to spin it 225 times, what would I expect to get? So I want to set up a proportion. So 1 out of 3 equals how many out of 225? So if you don't see a relationship you can use right away, then remember we can do bat and ball. So I can do 225 times 1, which just gives me 225. And then I can divide that by 3. So we see 225 divided by 3 gives me 75. So I would expect to get a multiple of 3 75 times out of 225 total spins.